Welcome to Benu Maths Academy. In this video series, discuss about objective type questions in direction ratios and cosines. Level 3 model questions. Question number 1. A line makes acute angles alpha, comma, beta, comma, gamma with the coordinate axis such that cos alpha, cos beta equal to cos beta, cos gamma equal to 2 by 9 and cos gamma, cos alpha equal to 4 by 9. Then cos alpha plus cos beta plus cos gamma equal to 4 options are given. In this problem, alpha comma beta comma gamma line makes an angles alpha comma beta comma gamma with the coordinate axis. Here the given values cos alpha cos beta is equal to cos beta cos gamma is equal to 2 by 9. Cos gamma cos alpha equal to 4 by 9. Here to find the value cos alpha plus cos beta plus cos gamma, apply cos alpha plus cos beta plus cos gamma whole square. Here a plus b plus c whole square. A plus b plus c whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2 into 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. This is the formula. Apply this formula. Cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma plus 2 cos alpha cos beta plus 2 cos beta cos gamma plus 2 cos gamma cos alpha. Cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma, the value is equal to 1. This is the relation. It is equal to 1. 2 into cos alpha cos beta value, cos alpha cos beta 2 by 9 plus 2 into cos beta cos gamma 2 by 9 plus 2 into cos gamma cos alpha 4 by 9. 4 by 9. 1 plus 2 into 2 4 by 9, 2 into 2 4 by 9 plus 2 into 8, sorry 2 into 4, 2 into 4 8 by 9, 8 by 9. Here 9 is the LCM, 9 plus 4 plus 4 plus 8 by 9, 4 plus 4 8, 8 plus 8 16, 16 plus 9 25, 25 by 9. Then cos alpha plus cos beta plus cos gamma is equal to square root of 25 by 9. That value equal to 5 by 3. 5 by 3. Cos alpha plus cos beta plus cos gamma equal to 5 by 3. Third option is correct. Second question. Let a line makes an angle theta with x and z axis and beta with y axis. If sin beta equal to root 3 sin theta, then cos square theta. Here are the 4 options given. Here in a problem, a line makes an angle theta with x axis and z axis. X axis and z axis, the angle is theta, and beta with y axis. Theta with x and z axis. A line makes an angle theta with x and z axis and beta with y axis. Here one relation. Alpha comma beta comma gamma. A line makes an angle alpha comma beta comma gamma with coordinate axis. Then the relation cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma is equal to 1. Here cos square theta y-axis angle is beta, cos square beta, z-axis angle theta, cos square theta is equal to 1. Cos square theta plus cos square theta, 2 cos square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square beta. 1 minus cos square beta, sin square beta. 2 cos square theta is equal to sin square beta. This is the equation 1. In a problem, one relation is given. Sin beta is equal to root 3 sin theta. Squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. Sin square beta is equal to root 3 sin square theta. In sin square beta from equation 1, sin square beta is equal to 2 cos square theta. In sin square beta substitute 2 cos square theta, 3 into sin square theta 1 minus cos square theta. 2 cos square theta, 2 cos square theta is equal to 3 into 1, 3 into cos square theta minus 3 cos square theta. Minus 3 cos square theta, you'll get plus 3 cos square theta. 3 cos square theta plus 2 cos square theta. 5 cos square theta is equal to 3. Cos square theta is equal to 3 by 5. In a question to find cos square theta is equal to 3 by 5. This first option is correct. Next question number 3. The 3 lines with DRs 1, 1, 2, root 3 minus 1, minus root 3 minus 1, 4, minus root 3 minus 1, root 3 minus 1, 4 forms. Here 4 options are given. Here the DRs of line 1, line 2 and line 3 is given. Here small concept. If A1, B1, C1 and A2, B2, C2 DRs of line 1 and 2 cos theta equal to mod A1, A2 plus B1, B2 plus C1, C2 by root of A1 square plus B1 square plus C1 square into A2 square plus B2 square plus C2 square. This is the formula. Here DRs of line 1. DRs of line 1 given 1, 1, 2. DRs of line 2. This is the line 1. DRs of line 2. Root 3 minus 1. Minus root 3 minus 1, 4. DRs of line 3. DRs of line 3. Minus root 3 minus 1, root 3 minus 1, 4. Here theta 1 is the angle between 1 and 2. Theta 1 is equal to angle between 1 and 2. To apply the formula cos theta equal to cos theta 1 equal to mod A1 A2 1 into root 3 minus 1 root 3 minus 1. Here multiply with 1 into minus root 3 minus 1 minus root 3 minus 1 2 into 4 8 by root of A1 square plus B1 square plus C1 square. 1 square 1, 1 square 1, 2 square 4. Here root 3 minus 1 whole square. Here minus root 3 minus 1. Minus is common. Root 3 plus 1 whole square plus 4 square 16. 4 square 16 plus root 3 minus root 3 get cancelled. Minus 1 minus 2 8 minus 2 6 modulus of 6 by 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 1 6 root 6. Here to apply one formula, a minus b whole square plus a plus b whole square. In a square minus is also plus, a minus b whole square plus a plus b whole square is equal to 2 into a square plus b square. Here a value 3, b value 1, 2 into root 3, a is equal to root 3, root 3 whole square, root 3 whole square 3, b equal to 1, 1 square 1, 3 plus 1, 4, 4 into 2, 8. Root of root 3 minus 1 whole square plus minus of root 3 plus 1 whole square value is 8. Root of 8 plus 16. 6 by root 6, root 24. 24 is equal to product of 4 into 6. Square root of 4 into 6, 2 root 6. Cos theta 1 is equal to 6 by root 6. 24, 4 into 6, square root of 4 into 6, 2 root 6. Root 6, 6. Multiplication of root 6, 6 get cancelled. Cos theta 1 is equal to 1 by 2. Cos theta 1, 1 by 2. Cos 60 degree value 1 by 2. Theta 1 is equal to 60 degree. Next, to find angle between 2 and 3. Theta 2 is equal to angle between 2 and 3. Here cos theta 2 equal to, apply the formula a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2. Cos theta 2 is equal to modulus of root 3 minus 1. Here minus is common. Root 3 plus 1 plus, here also minus is common. Root 3 plus 1 into root 3 minus 1. Root 3 minus 1. 4 into 4, 16. 16 by square root of root 3 plus 1. Root 3 plus 1, sorry. Root 3 minus 1. Root 3 minus 1 whole square. Minus common. Minus of root 3 plus 1 whole square. 4 square 16. Square root of, here minus common, root 3 plus 1 whole square, root 3 minus 1 whole square plus 4 square 16. A minus b into a plus b, plus into minus minus, minus a minus b into a plus b, a square minus b square, root 3 whole square 3, b square 1. Plus, plus into minus minus, a plus b into a minus b, root 3 whole square 3, 3 minus 1 plus 16 by, here root 3 minus 1 whole square plus minus of root 3 plus 1 whole square. The value is equal to 8. This is equal to 8. 8 plus 16. This value also 8. 8 plus 16. 3 minus 1, 2. Minus 2 plus 16. 8 plus 16 root 24. 8 plus 16 root 24. Root 24, root 24, 24. 16 minus 2 minus 4. 16 minus 4, 12. 12 by 24. 12 ones to 12 2. 1 by 2. Cos theta 2 1 by 2, theta 2 is equal to 60 degree. In a triangle, sum of the angles 180 degree. Theta 3 is the angle between 1 and 3. Sum of the angles 180 degree. Theta 1 plus theta 2 plus theta 3 is equal to 180 degree. Here theta 1 60 degree, theta 2 60 degree, theta 3 equal to 180 degree. 60 plus 60, 120 degree. Theta 3 is equal to 180 minus 120. Here 60 degree. Theta 1 60 degree. theta 2 60 degree, theta 3 60 degree, then the triangle is equilateral triangle. Question number 4. If O is the origin and the line OP of length R makes an angle alpha with x-axis and lies in the xy plane, then the coordinates of P are, here the four options are given. In a question, this is the XOY plane. In XOY plane, the line OP makes an angle alpha with x-axis. Total angle is pi by 2, 90 degree. Then this much of angle is pi by 2 minus alpha. If the line makes an angle alpha with x-axis, then pi by 2 minus alpha with y-axis. If the line lies on XOY plane, then this line makes an angle with z-axis is pi by 2. Pi by 2. Here OP length is given small r. The length of OP is given small r. OP line lies on xy plane. OP line lies on xy plane. Here the line makes with the x-axis alpha with x-axis, pi by 2 minus alpha with y-axis. If the line lies on xy plane, this line makes 90 degree with z-axis, pi by 2 with z-axis. Here the dr's of OP, cos alpha, comma, cos pi by 2 minus alpha, comma, cos pi by 2. Cos alpha, comma, cos 90 minus alpha, sin alpha, cos 90, 0. Here this is L, M, N. Here OP distance is R. Here to find the P coordinates, P is equal to LR, comma, MR, comma, NR. Here L value is cos alpha, R into cos alpha, R cos alpha. M value sin alpha, R sin alpha. Here N equal to 0, 0 into R, 0. The P coordinates R cos alpha, comma, R sin alpha, comma, 0. This is the second option is correct. Question number 5. If three consecutive vertices of a parallelogram are capital A equal to 4, 3, 5, B equal to 0, 6, 0, C equal to minus 8, 1, 4, and D is the fourth vertex, then the angle between AC and BD is, here the four options are given. In a question, this is the parallelogram A, B, C, D. Here three vertices are given. Find the D vertex and also find AC angle between the diagonals AC and BD. Given A equal to 4, 3, 5, B equal to 0, 6, 0, C equal to minus 8, 1, 4. Here to find D, fourth vertex, D equal to fourth vertex. Already you know the concept. The opposite vertex D, the opposite vertex is B subtracted. Fourth vertex A plus C minus B. A plus C minus B. In A, the x coordinate is 4. In C, the x coordinate minus 8. In B, the x coordinate is 0, comma, A y coordinate 3. In C, 1 plus 1. In B, 6 minus 6. comma, in A the z coordinate 5 and in C the z coordinate is 4, 5 plus 4 minus 0, 4 minus 8 minus 4, 3 plus 1 4, 4 minus 6 minus 2, 5 plus 4 9. These are the vertices of D, fourth vertex, minus 4 comma minus 2 comma 9. Here to find DRs of AC. DRs of AC. AC minus 8 minus 4 minus 12, 1 minus 3 minus 2, 4 minus 5 minus 1. Here multiply with minus 12 comma 2 comma 1. These are the DRs of AC. A1, B1, C1. These are the DRs of AC. Next to find DRs of BD. DRs of BD. DRs of BD. Here DRs of BD. Minus 4 minus 0 minus 4 comma minus 2 minus 6 minus 8 comma 9 minus 0 9. Multiply with minus 4 comma 8 comma minus 9, A2 B2 C2. These are the DRs of BD. Then to find the angle between the two diagonals AC and BD is theta. Cos theta is equal to AC and BD. Cos theta is equal to mod A1 A2 12 into 4 48, 12 fours. B1 B2 2 into 8 16, 8 into 16. C1 C2 1 into minus 9 by root of 12 square 144, 2 square 4 plus 1 root of 4 square 16, 8 square 64, 9 square 81, 48 plus 16, 48 plus 16, 8 6 14, 4 5 6 64, 9. Here 14 minus 9 5 55, 55 by 144 plus 5 144 plus 5 149, 16 plus 64, 16 plus 64 6 4 10, 6 7 8 80, 81, 80 plus 81 root 161. Theta is equal to cos inverse of 55 by root 149 root 161. Cos inverse of 55 by root 149 root 161. The first option is the correct. If you like this video, please share and subscribe. If you have any doubts, drop them in comment section. Next video also discuss about objective types in DCs and DRs. In level 3, some 5 type models are there.